If you're seeing this before early January, then you're in luck. This isn't random. The algorithm chose you, looking for amazing entrepreneurs around the world. You see, there's a massive trend that's going to put bucket loads of residual income into your pocket that nobody's talking about yet. It means it's not saturated. That trend is something called digital insurance. It's very similar to life insurance, except it's for all the digital media. And guys, wealth is made at the beginning of trends. Let me say that again. Wealth is made at the beginning of trends, not the end. And this is about to explode. It's going to be bigger than Bitcoin. In fact, let me tell you a story on that. I have a friend of mine who bought Bitcoin in 2011 or 12 at $1. He begged me to get in, and I just didn't see it. Well, that guy's worth over $300 million now, and he lives in a 20,000 square foot mansion. So don't miss this one. This one's going to be huge. If you want in on digital insurance, just comment below the word insurance. Okay? That way I know you're interested. I'll reach back out to you and give you all the details. Also, double tap your screen. That tells the algorithm that you're interested in as well, and share this video. The last few things I need you to do is save this video as well, because I have other videos that are coming out, and follow this profile so that you don't miss this massive launch that's coming in January. The last thing I want you to do is go ahead, click on the link in my bio. That will give you instant access to what's coming. And again, this is going to be massive, and this was made for you. So click on the link in my bio, watch the video there, opt in with your name and email address, and then you're going to get classified information on what's to come in early January. This is going to put bucket loads of residual income into your pocket for a lifetime. You can thank me later.